In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson Stylus NX515 printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for Epson Stylus NX515 support, and you want to search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson Stylus NX515. Go ahead and open that up. And now scrolling down on this page, there should be an operating system dropdown. Select your appropriate version of Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then select Go. And now scrolling down again, select the driver and utility combo package and download that. Once it's on your system, open up the file. It should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select Yes. It says this file contains the Epson Stylus NX510 and NX515 drivers and utility combo package. Click OK to continue. That's what you want to select here. And then just install like you would a normal printer, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.